Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we have a very tasty Katrikai Sadam, which is Brinjal Rice, also known as VangiBhath, a request from Lavanya, one of our subscribers. So let's see how to make this. For our lunchbox today, we have some absolutely delicious Katrikai Sadam, that is VangiBhath, and along with some onion raita at the side. And I have also packed separately some homemade badams or fryams. In my pressure cooker, I have cooked 1 cup of Sona Masuri raw rice. As always, we will remove it into a bowl and allow it to cool. Take the rice out in a bowl, spread it out, allow it to cool, add a tablespoon of oil, and we leave this aside for now. First we will make a spice mix, that is the VangiBhath powder. Heat a spoon of oil, add coriander seeds, Channa dal, Urad dal, and allow the dals to roast well till they turn a golden brown color. Next I am adding 4 dry red chillis for the spice and 3 or 4 of these Bydagi red chillis for the color. Fry them also. Here I have taken about 1/4 of one dry copra, just cut it into pieces, a small piece of cinnamon and 3 or 4 cloves. Fry the coconut, chillis, cinnamon, cloves also in the oil for a couple of minutes more. Now when they are all well roasted, remove it onto a plate. Allow it to cool down well. When cool, we will grind it into a powder. Meanwhile, heat a tablespoon oil in the kadai. Add some mustard seeds, Urad dal, Channa dal, just 1 dry red chilli, 1 green chilli chopped, and 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Roast all these spices well and the nuts also. When it is well fried, I am just keeping this aside to put on top so that the crunchiness remains. Now in the remaining oil, add 1 onion chopped, now add salt to taste. Fry till the onions get a glassy appearance. Here I have about 250 grams of brinjal, which are chopped and kept in water. Now we will add these brinjal pieces to it. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. I am just adding a teaspoon of tamarind paste. You can use tamarind paste or you can just dissolve a small amla size piece of tamarind and add. Especially when we are making this bangan, that is brinjal, it is good to add a little bit of tamarind to it. Cover it and cook till the brinjals are done. Our roasted spices have now cooled down to room temperature. You just transfer it to your blender jar and make it into a slightly coarse powder. See, we have blended our spices well to a slightly coarse powder. Now let's check on our brinjal also. See, it has cooked well. Now we'll add our spice powder mix to it. When you make it fresh like this, it gets an awesome aroma. I'm adding 3 tablespoons now. Remainder, if you want, you can add, or you can use it next time for any other sabji which you make. It will taste good. Give it all a good mix. Now we'll add our cooked and cooled rice to this. Switch off the gas. Mix it all well together. Just add 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves to this. Mix everything well. Then this tempering which we had set aside at the beginning, we can add that now. You can check for salt. See, initially I only added a little bit of salt for the brinjal alone. Now I feel it needs a little more salt because you have added the spice powder. And give it all a good mix once again. I have about 1 tablespoon of the spice powder, this VangiBhath powder remaining. We can just store it, use it next time when you make any sabji, or even if you add it to your sambar rice or bisibelabath, it will taste excellent. So a very delicious Katrikai Sadam, VangiBhath or Brinjal rice is ready. As a combo, I have also fried some homemade badam, that is these fryams, because it will go very well with the rice. And we will make some onion raita, 1 cup of curd, just beat it well with a whisk. Add some finely chopped onion to it. Some chopped green chillis and also chopped fresh coriander leaves. Just add a pinch of salt and a pinch of hing. Mix everything well together. Now we are ready to pack our lunchbox with this delicious VangiBhath or Katrikai Sadam and onion raita. So I like to keep these fryams in a separate box so that they don't become soft, they remain crunchy. Do try out this recipe. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.